Hello, and welcome to this special logical briefing. The purpose of this video is quite simple. It is to provide the logical preface to the 10 steps to reality. What you are about to hear is not math, and it is not speculation. It is a journey that requires only one tool, your own logic. If you are ready to step outside the mirrors of confusion, this 3-minute session is ready to begin. Why is the universe so hard to understand? Why is the truth so hard to find? It is because you have been caught between two mirrors of confusion. Religion tells you to have faith in the invisible. Science tells you to have faith in the complex. Religion has a vested interest in your fear of the unknown. Modern science has a vested interest in your ignorance. At CERN, they spend billions smashing particles, chasing shadows that never materialize. In academia, complexity is a commodity. It feeds the grants. It protects the salaries. One offers a God you cannot see. The other offers equations you cannot understand. Both are masks. They hide reality. Both hide the same fundamental lack of an origin. As an engineer, I know a secret. Complexity is the mask worn by a lack of fundamental understanding. You don't need a miracle and you don't need a PhD. You need simplicity. Ask yourself, what if the universe isn't a puzzle of infinite pieces? What if there is one single fundamental law, a universal, unbreakable law? And everything else, every star, every atom, every moment, even you yourself, follow naturally. A law so simple it has been hidden in plain sight by the very people paid to find it. On my website and in my books, I lay out the 10 steps to this reality. 10 logical steps, no math, no speculation, just simple, pure reason. I am daring you and anyone, students and professors, scientists and theologians, prove this logic wrong. No faith, no authority. Just simple, everyday logic. Thank you for watching.